Maplamba kujeni hapa. I'm one of you. Ushaiona haka kaharu kwa stopcock? Haka. Ignore. Do you know what can happen if this arrow points downwards instead of upwards? Here are the results.